Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the Puma EA for MT5. This one's positioned as a smart institutional grade system mainly for gold and is free on the MQ5 marketplace. As you can see over here, the developer calls it a fully autonomous trading engine that hunts high probability setups on gold, XAUUSD, and a few other assets. Let's break down what they're actually claiming and whether it holds up in practice. Before we dive into that, you can download a free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get into it. There we have it. The core of Puma EA is what the seller describes as a smart signal engine. Um, it combines multiple factors into one confluence score from 0 to 100%. You've got EMA crossovers for short-term trend direction. So here you have it 0 to 100%. EMA crossovers for short-term direction and ATR volatility filter so it doesn't trade in dead markets. RSI for momentum confirmation, momentum scoring, and price action pattern detection. Things like pin bars, engulfing candles, inside bars, and outside bars. Instead of just slamming market orders, it uses pending buy limit and sell limit orders placed around the current price. The idea is to get better fills, reduce slippage, and catch liquidity pulls or pullbacks. It also has adaptive support and resistance based on swing highs and lows over the last 500 bars. It filters out trades that go against strong structure. Alright, so there are two modes. The fast mode, which takes any decent confluence hits, and safe mode, which waits for price action confirmation to be more selective. The whole thing runs on M5 or M15, primarily on gold, with a session filter to control when it's active. Honestly, on paper, it sounds like a thoughtful hybrid that tries to be smart about entries rather than just throwing darts. Okay, so we've basically seen most of the info on the website from the developer. It says why choose Puma. You can see this is basically like a summary. It works on any broker compatible with ECN, STP, and standard account types. Basically, any broker that supports MetaTrader 5 and Gold, XAUUSD. It's fully automated. Set it and forget it. The EA runs independently according to the developer. No manual intervention required. It analyzes, decides, enters, managing, and closes all by itself. We're going to need to test this out. Most of this actually looks like the developer just hyping up his products. So we're going to see if it actually holds up when we carry out our tests in a little while. So, according to him, is also prop firm ready. The safe mode plus conservative parameters make this ideal for FTMO, my Forex funds, Top Step, and similar funded account challenges. It includes set files as well, comes with pre-configured set files, conservative, balanced, aggressive, and prop firm profiles. Plug and play from day one. Right, so we have some screenshots here from the developer. Right, so this is what it looks like. We're also going to be seeing it when I carry out my own back tests. This is how it looks on the charts. Okay, so basically these are the screenshots we have from the developer. So let's quickly move over to my own personal testing of the EA and see if it's actually in line with all the claims the developer has made so far about it. Alright, let's get right into it. Opening up my MT5 account. So I had the opportunity of running it on His recommended pair, the XAUSD Gold on the M5 time frame, which was recommended as well, along with the 15-minute time frame, for some period of 1 year. The period ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. My initial deposit for the period was $10,000, and for that I got the following results. So for the initial deposit of $10,000, you can see there was actually almost half of that amount as a loss, north of $4,000. So we had a total net loss of $4,225. We had the balance drawdown of 45.57%. We had a profit factor below 1 at 0.66, which is actually a bad thing, a bad sign. And the total trades taken during the period were 1,702 trades. So you can see that reflects in the equity curve as well. You see how it kind of like always tries to make that upward movement, but ultimately fails and has a lot of drawdowns. It tries to recover again, but fails once more, having major dips along the way. So it's just basically a story of trying to recover and then failing until on the long run. So we can see that playing out up until it gets to this point down here, um, at the further right of the graph. So this is actually quite different from what the developer claims. It doesn't look like that plug and forget or play and forget system that the developer pushes it to be from my own back test. So the thing is, even with hard stop losses and basket management, that grid component means exposure can build up faster than you expect during volatility spikes. In practice, drawdowns aren't always as smooth as the backtest. They come in sharper bursts, especially around London or New York sessions. New sensitivity is real on gold, and fitting risk is there if the parameters are tuned too closely to recent data. So the realistic verdict, this is a confluence-based hybrid with some grid/averaging elements tuned for gold. It might work in the right conditions with conservative settings and good broker execution, but it's not the passive money printer the hype suggests. Live trading will test the risk tolerance more than the pretty backtest images. So going back to the developer site, mm, this one is actually for experienced traders who already know gold's behavior, can monitor it, and are willing to forward test it extensively on demo with tiny risks first. It's great if you're prop trading and size very small in safe/conservative mode. Beginners or people with tiny accounts who hate drawdown should probably avoid it. Grids hide risks until they don't. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. It's a solid starting point with lots of built-in patterns. Trade responsibly, and I'll see you in the next one.